the start.
Alam mo, maganda 'tong sinasabi ni April. Even if you choose someone that making you a top priority, there are people that will change without you even knowing. Alam mo, totoo naman, tama? There's no such thing, April, as sure ball marriage, tama?
Oo naman.
Parang example, lahat ba ng mentors natin, lahat masaya sila? Hindi naman ganun eh.
Actually, all of our strong mentors
Ah.
at one point gusto nila maghiwalay.
Maghiwalay. Tapos nag-aaway sila, 'di ba? They have problems. Kaya lang, yung mga surviving strong marriages, wala silang attitude na ikaw napapalitan ka lang. No
Yeah,
such thing,
yeah.
'di ba? Yung mga malalakas na married mentors na may strong marriages, you will never ever hear na may isa sa kanila may attitude na, "Oy, ikaw, napapalitan ka lang, huwag ka mayabang." You hear nothing of that. Okay? Now, yung sinasabi ni April, totoo naman. May risk ba sa marriage? May risk ba na kunwari akala mo okay, biglang hindi naging okay? May risk talaga. Kaya nga ang dami naghihiwalay, di ba? But ang wisdom ngayon habang tumatanda ka, don't commit the same mistake. This is RM, Relationship Matters.
Your online ninong and ninang saying, wag
Pera-pera lang ang pagkuha ng ninong at nina.